My name is Marty Van Weinsberg. I'm the field superintendent for Edward Rose & Sons, and this is their apartment site called Uptown Apartments in Troy, Michigan. And this stage of the project, Building 1 is in the process of rough carpentry. They are decking the second floor to be able to start the walls on the second floor. The framers on Building 1, it's called Gauthier Construction, and it's a carpenter that's been with the company for many years. And then we have a separate carpentry company coming to start the carpentry at the community building, and that should start tomorrow. Building 2 is waiting for the lumber, and the carpenters, when they finish Building 1, they will proceed to Building 2. The whole site is scheduled approximately a 4-year project. Building 1, we're hoping to have it occupied in spring of 2020.